Delighted to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I am excited to present to you two websites that you can use to make at least $10 for a simple task online. Okay, before I give you the details of the two websites, let me remind you that my channel is all about making money. I make videos that show people how to make money using the power of the internet. So if it is your desire to learn more about how to leverage the power of the internet to make money, then my friend, you are the correct person. You are watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcasts from this channel. Without wasting time, my friend, let me just show you our first website. Our first website is called Univox. It's a secure website with a padlock right there, univoxcommunity.com. Okay, right. It says tech surveys and rewards. Devote time, tech surveys, and share feedback on products you use. Get paid for it without leaving your chair. Do this being anywhere in the world. This is a worldwide opportunity, my friend. You can do it from anywhere under the sun. All right. Okay. So you get $2 bonus for just signing up. Okay. You can download the app on your Android device or on your Apple device right there. And how are you going to be paid? You're paid in different ways. Virtual Visa card, right? Amazon gift card and PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, just go to paypal.com and sign up for a personal account. It's free, right? 3 simple steps. We value both your time and your opinion. Do you? With Univox, start doing so. It's quick. Sign up and get instant bonus of 200 points. Tech surveys. We'll email you survey invites. The surveys will be quick and easy to answer. And rewards. Win exciting rewards for each survey you take. As a part of Univox community, each contribution makes you earn reward points that you can claim as multiple reward options available, right? PayPal, Virtual MasterCard, and Amazon gift cards. PayPal is the faster, safer way to send money, to make online payments and receive money, okay? So you can get paid through these means. Tango card. Amazon. Now, Amazon is a household name. You can use Amazon gift cards from anywhere in the world. And the good thing is that you are exposed to millions, if not billions of products that you can choose to buy using your Amazon gift card. All right. You can also use Tango card. All right. So this is how you're going to get paid right there. If you click the join button, it's the simple and rewarding way to voice your opinion. 3 steps: register for free, participate in surveys, and then you earn rewards, right? So you have to put in your details right here, okay? And you have to also fill in that captcha, because to confirm that you are not a robot. They'll send you an email to your inbox. You have to click the link in your email to confirm your registration, right? So that's very important. Once you have done that, then they will give you kind of a profile questionnaire. So once you are done with the confirmation of your account, right, you get kind of a survey, right? Which of the following categories best describes your organization's primary industry, right? Yourself, right? So what do? You fill in there, then you save it. Then it takes you to another one, to the next, to the next, to the next, and so forth. So let's have a look at the app. You click that. See the score, right? 3.3 stars out of 5. That's a good score right there. Introducing Univox community app, where you can take online surveys and earn real cash. Last year, Univox paid $1 million to its users. It's quite simple to earn with Univox community. Install our app, take surveys and rewards. Choose from the exciting reward options: PayPal, Tango Card, Amazon, Domino's, Walmart, and more. Install our app now and get $2 sign-up bonus. And our second website, my friend, which I promised you, is called Crowdology. It's a secure website with a padlock right there. Share your opinion and a little extra. Get paid up to $10 for every survey you complete, so you can spend it on things you love. Okay, make a little extra on the side and treat yourself or those close to you. We are experienced in working with leading brands who want to know what you think about their products and their services. That's why we pay you for every single survey you complete, helping you to make a little extra on the side to spend on what you wish, whether it's that treat for someone close to you or something nice for yourself. Okay, so you sign up, you receive your surveys, then you get paid via PayPal. Like I said, if you don't have a PayPal account, it's dead easy and it's free. PayPal.com. Then you sign up for a personal account. Right. Crowdology surveys are quick and easy to fit into your day. Online surveys typically takes between 2 and 15 minutes to complete. Just imagine if you complete this survey in 2 minutes, then you get $10 in 2 minutes. Just imagine that. Right. So you can do the maths and see what sort of amount you can make. And this all depends on you, really. Right? The results are not typical, but they depend on you. How much effort and how hungry you are to get some money from this website. Earn money from day one with Crowdology. The amount you get paid depends on the length and the type of survey you take. Start from 40p. This is British money, slightly stronger than the US, okay? 40p and going up to 10 pounds or even more. And because you can withdraw money from PayPal as soon as your balance reaches 4 pounds, it's quick and easy to make little extra, right? So you get your money, you can withdraw your money through PayPal once you hit 4 pounds right there, okay? And when you've got a balance of $10 or 10 pounds, you can use Amazon gift card. Leading brands are ready and waiting to hear your opinion. Surveys cover a wide range of topics and brands, from what you think about the food you eat to things you couldn't live without on holiday. It's your opinion on everyday things that count. So we'll pay you for giving your views. Okay. We can win prizes as an added bonus. At Crowdology, we also like to treat our members to regular competitions with great prizes like Apple Watch or an iPad. You can have a look at some frequently asked questions, right? How can I take part in more surveys, okay? Do I have to participate in every survey I am invited to do, right? You can find the answer right there. How long is a typical survey? 5 to 10 minutes. If you can complete a survey in 2 minutes and get $10 or 10 pounds, that's fantastic. Right? Why Crowdology? Engaging surveys, cash rewards, current topics, real companies, quick to complete. Tips to maximize your earning potential, okay? Right? As soon as you register, remember to mark emails from Crowdology as safe, all right? That is very important so that they are not thrown into the trash can by your filters, okay? Right? Complete your profile info. The more information we have on you, including age, where you live, and the kinds of things you like doing, the more relevant surveys we can send you, meaning more money to spend on the things you love. Right, so these are the two websites that I promised you, my friend, that you can make a little bit of extra income using these two websites, right? So it's fantastic way of learning how to make money using the power of the internet. Yes, the amount of money which you are going to get from here is not going to make you rich. This is not going to make you financially free, my friend, right? But it's good that you are testing the waters and you are learning, you are in a process of learning how to leverage the power of the internet to make money, right? So the problem is that it is active income. The minute you stop doing the surveys, your money goes down to zero, okay? But you see, there is another way of making money. Now, the internet, which we are talking about right now, is leveled the ground for everyone like you and me, that we can start to make decent amount of money, even a full-time income, using the power of the internet, right? Or what we need is the correct information, or what we need is the correct blueprint, right? So in the description, I've got a link which says my #1 recommendation to make money online on autopilot. The opposite of active income is passive income, right? Through that link, you'll be taught how to build a business on autopilot and start to earn passively whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling on vacation, whilst you are spending quality time with your family, with your loved ones, with your husband, with your wife, whilst you are doing the more important things of life, right? Through that link, you'll be taught how to make some serious money. You'll be taught how to make your first $100, your first 200, your first $500, your first $1,000, even a full-time income, right? So all this is done through autopilot, through passive way of making money. So if you've got the guts to make money online, my friend, click the link in the description. You'll have an opportunity to be taught how to build your business on autopilot. If you found value in this video, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next videos. Bye for now.